Here's how you go live on Instagram. You click the top plus button like if you were going to do a story, and then you swipe to the left. So you go left, it says create, and then you'll see live next to it. And then you press that button. So make sure you are at camera angle, you press the button, and then it's gonna check your internet connection, and you're now live. And you see it says we're telling your followers that you've started a live video, and at the bottom you can click the airplane to invite some people, or you can click this little split button to go live with someone who's watching you. So I can ask, say, Heather at Keep It Simple to watch this live video, and then she could join me. And then this little secret guy with the sparkles here is to add some filters. So I like to add a bit of filter so that you have kind of a nice makeup going on. That's it, easy peasy. And then when you're done, see on the top left, you can switch the camera angle. So I can put here, I can switch around my camera, and then you click on the top right end. Whoops, I don't want to put my finger. I click end, and it ends my recording. You say, yes, I want to end my video, and now. And see on the top left, there's a little drop down arrow. This is where you could download. So I can click here and download my video, and I can click delete my video or share it to my story. And in which case, if I share it to my story, I go here, and all of a sudden you see on the top left, it says I am live on my story. And that's it. It's going to show up live in a minute.